Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Union Bank virtual card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your particular Union Bank's updated mobile app, and then afterwards you're simply gonna go ahead, get yourself logged in. Then afterwards you're going to find this kind of dashboard, and here in this section you're going to find your accounts on top, and below you're going to find the Play Everyday virtual credit card. You can see on top you can find Play Everyday credit card, and go ahead, simply select your particular virtual card on top. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface with your card's information, and below you're gonna see this option of lock unlock. If the card is locked, you won't be able to do anything with it, cannot purchase, cannot pay, because the service is simply locked. So you have to tap on it and unlock it. Once your credit card is unlocked, you're gonna find this kind of option, this kind of interface, which includes this shop. This features a notification which was not there before it was locked. Once you have unlocked it, you will be able to use it for your payment, for whatever you would like, and the service to full. So once you have done so, you are ready to go and use your Union Bank's virtual card. These steps you must follow and complete as I've shown. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.